Okay, so we're in Caernarfon now with the women's. What are you laughing about? Fuck you. You guys are normal. Who cares? We're not normal. Live! Fucking kids over there. I fucking hate them. The bastards never get to vlog without saying that I'm normal. Guys, there's a person with shit on his head. That's splendid. Sir Owen! No, it's not Sir Hugh Owen, it's Sir Hugh Owen! It was alright. Because, oh, there's a person, look. Say hi, you're being filmed. You're being filmed. Yo, woman, you're being filmed. Say hi. Say hi. Well, fuck you then. He lived in Crickyard, and he looks violent with shit on his head. Oh my God. Hello, Gwen. Hi. Hello, Emma. Emma! I feel high. Zoom in. Zoom in. Zoom in. No. I zoom in. Zoom in, zoom out. They are being really unattractive. I mean, how do you say that word? Antisocial. They're being antisocial.
Emma loves me.
Now, kiss. But she's my wife.
No.
YOLO. Oh shit, nah. I broke my camera by looking at the...
No, you didn't nearly break it. You thought you broke it.
Yeah, I thought I broke it, but it's supposed to.
Nina, where the fuck are you taking us?
I don't know.
That way, Nina.
Fucking love Mickey Mouse, look.
Minnie Mouse, by the way.
Minnie what?
It's Minnie Mouse.
I thought you said mini ass. I was like,
I said Minnie Mouse, yo.
Look, donkey fur. I mean,
What? Just stop. Just make up something.
lol, no.
We just like vlog normally. Yeah.
No.
Nina.
Oh, fuck you, car. You feel sorry for me, and I don't know why. Why do you feel? Because I'm pathetic.
You're mentally retarded.
Because I'm pathetic. That's splendid. She loves me so hard. I mean, in the friend way. Because Sehun has always been mine, and I'll be always. Yeah, Subway. Shop because we're nerds. No. Pencil case. No. Frozen. Let me love you forever. Jesus.
Oh my God.
Nerds. Oh, I see Harry Potter on the top. Nina. There. Is that Lord of the Rings? What?
No. It's the Mortal Instruments. Yeah.
I didn't know that. Oh, I know them, but I never read them. Let me love you forever.
No.
Oh, look, Monster High. I used to be obsessed with Monster High.
I want to see. Oh my God, Bane. He's so Asian.
Okay.
Wait, I want to see this.
We're gonna leave those nerds. We're gonna find Lord of the Rings because that's what real women read. The fuck? Where are they? Gwen. Not good. Oh my God. Let me love you forever. I want to find more of them because they're awesome. I realised you grabbed my shoulder as well.
They also have
Run. Oh, where the Hobbit? Oh, let me love you. Oh, I've got that book. Game of Thrones. Dun. Messy. I'm sorry, football fans. Please don't kill me.
I found Hedwig. It's so cute.
Harry Potter fan. Whee! Such a zoom.
Stop it.
Such a zoom.
Stop here. It's Harry Potter. Bite you.
But I don't want to. God, that violence. They always tell me to stop acting retarded, and I don't know why, because I think they're embarrassing me.
It's like a land-living in style.
Oh.
It's like land-living is fun.
I'm the best at vlogs. I want it. Please don't lick it, that'll be inappropriate.
I got a whole mouth.
Okay, let's go out to the shop. We have molested everything, we are going out now.
Looks not nice.
It's a weirdo. Shoes. Oh my God, shoes.
Super drug.
Shut up. Let's get some super drugs. I see Zoella. I like Zoella. She's cute, I guess.
Zoella stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
What are you doing, Gwen?
Fixing my shoe. I broke it.
Oh, that one. That's what you do when you're being weird. Oh, I need this thing actually, because our school sucks apparently. It's got really loads of dirty stuff.
Smelly.
Smelly stuff.
I love these so much.
Okay, I want to test this thing out. I don't know how it works. I'm sniffing my hand. That's... That's enough spray.
I like them all. Why am I looking at colours? Hi. I don't know. I have to wait till I'm 15 to dye my hair, but then after that I can be like, fucking mum, you said.
I scared Emma with my camera. Fun, fun, fun.
Children's shit is cool.
Children's shit. Quite splendid. The children. Oh, there's nearly no people here. I can vlog. Theo! Let me have you. I'm buying this. I'm buying this.
Saying it's a Chinese chicken.
And I don't care. I will walk like this.
Wait, no, Pickin is my ex-boyfriend.
Oh, I will walk like this all fucking day.
It's a bust.
It's a... Okay.
You need to put stuff in this. Hi! You need stuff for this vlog. Oh, yo.
She has a hat.
I have a stupid face but a nice hat.
She scares me. Mate, save me! Save me, mate! Save me! Save me! Save me! Save me! Fucking save me! Rapist!
Fucking hoe.
Yeah, sure.
What do you want to do to these dogs?
Stroke them! I like stroking stuff. That is nice. Hi. Fun. We're in Caernarfon.
I think when you say
Oh, still high and still walking. Did you just say he's fucking... What? The man is trapped behind us. Hi. Hello.
Hi. It's been so long.
Yes. We are nearly like finished with this day. We are going to wait until the bus will come and then we are going to go home. Well, they're actually going to go to Caernarfon and I'm just like going to be here. What?
You'd get run over by a parked car.
Why? Why? I am careful, honestly. Agree with it.
No.
Agree with it. Why?
Something that you like.
I don't care. I am a YouTuber.
I would agree with that.
No, this is going to like take me 2 weeks to montage. Maybe I'll even forget about it.
The rat monster. He touches everything.
I am not clumsy. I am absolutely... Seagull! What are you doing, Seagull? That's illegal! I'm sorry.
You know where
Lovely.
we're going?
I don't know. Where are we going?
I'd be walking one bit of here that is actually a road.
Yeah, why? There's a road fucking everywhere. Even that's a road. I bet if you are Spider-Man, that's a road for you.
You're a road.
Walking. Zoom in. Such best cameraman. They're in a shop and I have no idea why. Please explain yourself, lady.
That's my phone. Oh.
Explain yourself, existence.
My phone is Pikachu.
It's here, we're here because it's warm here. That's the only reason. The shop is everywhere.
And because they got pandas. What is it? Mini Vinnies. What is it? What? Oh, it says a fox, but that's clearly a panda.
Hi.
People have no idea how pandas look these days.
So
Let me have you galaxy, Chris. Every XOL will understand. Oh my god, I'm burning my eyes out.
Such cosmetics, very months.
She just thought. This is the best thing.
Oh, I've seen so many of those.
Oh my god. Does this guy scare you? It scares me anyway.
What am I doing?
I don't know, existing. Emma doesn't like to be filmed.
I don't actually. Why? If I have my own YouTube channel, do you think I really care about being filmed?
Good point. We're outside again and we are going in circles because apparently they... What the fuck is it you doing?
It smells like smoke. It does. It's like...
People are smoking, just deal with it. Stop. Stop raping my shoulder. That's not what you do with me. You give me sahun and make me happy by giving me chocolate.
It's my mum.
The rapist face.
I'm giving Sahun a Mother's Day card because.
No, you're not! He is my child! And he's my love as well. Incest. I don't want to. I will love my existence forever. That's what I do with fucking like a trip.
Teach me Russian.
Нет.
Yep.
Нет.
Yep.
Циц. What? Замолчи. She's pissing herself laughing. Yeah, she's fucking violent.
Guys, it's 19 minutes past. We should really just go now. Yeah.
Go to the bus.
Again.
Oh, funny. Poor kid, traumatized forever. Class bandit.
20 minutes late.
My bus is off. Slowly go away. They feel fear.
Ass is on fire.
Bye, I shall leave you here because I'm a normal, intellectual piece of human. No, I'm not. I'm fucking mad.